Hi my dear subscriber, are you passionate to start a career in data science or machine learning in 2022? You don't know where to start? In this video I will guide you through 3 essential steps that will help you to make a transition into data science and machine learning in less than a month. Let's get started. During first week of your study plan, start with programming language and the basics of data science. I would recommend you to start with Python. Python is the best language for machine learning research and data science because it has many libraries that are adapted specifically for the purposes of data science. You don't need to understand every detail of Python language. You also don't need to be ideal best programmer to start implementing data science projects. That's why at this stage, during the first week of your learning process, try to acquire high-level understanding of Python language. You need to learn different data types. You need to understand how to create a function using Python language. You need to learn how to implement different types of loops, while and for loops, and conditions. This is a minimum that you need to understand while using Python language. Also, during first week of your studies, I would recommend to learn basics of data science that would include different types of regressions, such as linear regression and polynomial regression, and try to use your Python skills. You can go through any online Python tutorial that you can find. My favorite one is W3 Schools. Here you see tutorials for different programming languages, including Python, and what is convenient that you can learn different concepts on your own, so there is no deadline. It's available for free. You can also do small exercises from the platform, try it yourself, and they cover pretty much all essential topics that you need to know, including such practical issues such as file handling, Python modules, and visualization. They also even have some basic data science information, and during the first week you can go through all these topics until including machine learning, and even Python MySQL integration is also very useful skill set. So I would just recommend you to go through all of this. If you can complete it in 1 week, that would be fantastic. During second week, you need to acquire deeper knowledge of data science and machine learning. For this, you can subscribe to any course that is available online or in person, but you need to ensure that this course has a good combination of theoretical knowledge and practical exercises. This week, you need to ensure that you understand machine learning terminology. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, but you need to ensure that your math background is sufficient to understand this machine learning concepts. If you feel that you don't have enough knowledge of math, I wouldn't recommend you learning math separately. Try to fill the gaps as soon as they appear. When you see a new concept, try to understand what does it mean. Machine learning course offered by Stanford on Coursera remains to be one of the most famous courses on machine learning. It takes 61 hours to complete, but if you are truly interested to accelerate your learning process, I would recommend you to allocate at least 8 hours for each day and complete the course in a week, that is 7 days. The course material covers all essential topics that you need to understand, including linear regression, linear algebra, logistic regression, and neural networks. They also have, in addition to theoretical material, they also have practical exercises that is very helpful. During week number 3, you need to learn how to implement data science projects and machine learning projects. For that, you can replicate existing solutions. Try to find the area of your interest and the problem to solve, and browse on GitHub and existing solutions. Go through existing scripts and ensure that you understand every function that is written there. You understand what is doing, what is output, and why it is used in this project. Paper with Code is my favorite resource to browse state-of-the-art approaches. Here you can see different topics. You can find the topic of your interest. For example, if you're interested in image classification, you can find different solutions that are already available and were implemented. You can go directly to GitHub repository and see the code implemented that is related to one specific paper. That is very convenient. From here you can start your experiments with new solutions. During first week, try to implement your own project. I would not recommend to start completely with very exciting project. Try to stick to your previous problem that you found and the script you already found, and try to make a little changes. Maybe you can apply the same framework to new data set, or maybe you can use the same data set and data that was processed from in the script and apply another machine learning model to it. If you are working with deep neural networks, try to adjust different parameters and see how your model will change. This will help you to solve the problem in your own way while using someone else's script. This is essential plan that will help you to start with machine learning and data science in 2022. Tell me, why do you want to learn machine learning and data science in comments below. If you like this video, press like button, and if you didn't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.